Alright, let us start by creating a new Node.js project. To do so, I'll go to my command prompt, type in npm space init, which is used to initialize a new project. Now it's going to ask me a couple of questions for the package.json file. I'll just keep pressing enter, it will take the default values. Enter, enter. Entry point is index.js. Test command, here I'm going to type Nightwatch, which the node is going to run when I type in the command npm test. We're going to see this part later. Get nil, keywords nil, author is paras dot mathur, that's my name, license nil. Yes, it has created a package.json. It has prompted me for a confirmation. I'll type in yes. All right. Can minimize it for now. So it has created a package.json file. I like Sublime. You can take up any text editor that you want, or I can even, in a better way, I can do it in a Visual Studio Code. Yes. In the package.json file, all of our details have been entered. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to install node dependencies. Let npm install Nightwatch. In a couple of seconds, it's going to pull the dependency, Nightwatch dependency, and install this in the node_modules folder. All right. Now our dependency, that is Nightwatch, has been installed. You can see the Nightwatch folder here. Go to node modules. Under node modules, you can see a Nightwatch folder, and remaining are the dependent folders for Nightwatch. Alright, now I'm going to create a nightwatch.json file wherein all of our configuration details will be present. So right click here, new file, nightwatch.json. Now we're going to add a couple of configuration. To get the configuration, you can open a browser, go to nightwatchjs.org /guide, scroll down. Here, you can copy paste this configuration directly. This is the default configuration which we're going to need. You can amend it or make your changes according to your project. Going to copy paste it here. We're going to understand each and every option at a later part of the tutorial, but moving on for the time being, we have to create two more folders. The first one is tests. Within this folder, all of our test files will be stored, and another one is results, within which all of our Nightwatch output will be present. Same thing has been mentioned in nightwatch.json, and that is our configuration JSON file. All right. Next, we're going to install two more dependencies. The first one is a standalone Selenium server. Go to Google, type Selenium server standalone. The first link which you get for the seleniumhq.org, open the page. Look for the Selenium server, standalone server. The download version as of making this video is 3.12.0. Click on it. It will start your download. It's a small file of 20-25 MB. Yes. Open it in your download. I'm going to cut it and paste it within my node directory. My project directory. All right. Now we need to start our Selenium server. Go to command prompt, type java space jar and the Selenium jar file name. Press enter. It will launch the Selenium server. As you can see here, Selenium server is up and running on port 4444. By the way, I'm using Java 10 while creating this video, but it won't have any effect even if you go for a version up or a version lower. Moving on, we are going to download Chrome driver, which is an executable file required by Selenium to communicate with the Chrome browser. We can get this file from the Selenium page itself. Scroll down a little further. On this page, Google Chrome driver. Click on the latest, Chrome driver 2.40. I'm using Windows machine. It's going to download it in zip format. I'm going to cut it and paste it in my project directory again. Alright, let's unzip this. Now, you must be wondering, where do I have to put this? This goes here in Nightwatch.json file. Since I'm using Chrome for this demonstration, I'll be removing other drivers or the placeholder for other drivers. The Chrome driver. Copy paste this Chrome driver.exe here. Alright. And then for my default settings, I'll be using Chrome browser. So I'll paste it here instead of Firefox.